Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today is a Wednesday for you guys, not for me. It's Sunday here. It's windy out, it's kind of chilly out. Just got back up from deer hunting and closed the season this year. I didn't get anything, it is what it is, but we had a good time anyways. But anyways, we're doing some seats on my father-in-law's truck. Here are the front seats out of my truck. These are gonna be going in my father-in-law's truck because his is absolutely ruined. It's a nice cheap option I'm giving to him for free, so you can't beat that. His center console also is cracked and broken here, so we've got to replace that. But that being said, I'm not working with the right tools. I am working with a 15mm on the front, and it works good. I use a 12 spline, and I'll show you what I'm dealing with right now because I actually ran into an issue. Here is the nut. I do believe this is an E20 socket. That's what you should be using, but a 15mm 12 spline actually fits in there really nicely. But the problem I had is this one right here is all stripped out. Luckily I have one of these at home, so I'm not going to put this one back in. I'm going to go ahead, run home, get the right one that I have extra and put that in instead of this one. But it is all stripped out, and I actually had to step down to a 9/16. I don't know if you can see that there. That's an old socket, and I had to slam this on with a hammer and able to get this one out. So that being said, I got these two out. Again, this is an E20. I did make a video on this in past, swapping out to a center console. But now we're just doing a direct swap. We're taking these fronts out and putting my fronts in. So I'll update you once I get this section out, and we'll move forward from there. All right, so I got everything out. There's a little connector here underneath the seat here. Very simple, one clip, one connection, easy to take out. Now I'm not doing the passenger side because the passenger side is actually in pretty good condition. So I just kind of undid this side, lifted the center console out, and then took this side out obviously as well. I'm gonna put my center console in, my driver's seat in for him. Don't mind the mess, I'm gonna clean it out. This is obviously like a farm truck, daily driver, work truck. This is absolutely rusty but trusty kind of truck. So we'll vacuum this out real quick, get it cleaned out, and get the new seats in. One thing I didn't mention is if you're gonna just take out the center console and your seat, you gotta lean that seat forward so you can push it back, because otherwise you're gonna hit that pillar back there, this pillar right here. So lean it forward a little bit so you can push it back, and you get plenty of room to slide this underneath it. Like I said, I used a 15mm on the front and a 7/16 on the back, and it worked out pretty good actually. This is what the finished product looked like. You know, these are used seats obviously, but it's much better than what he had before. His center console, his lid actually was broken, so it wouldn't flip up like this. Now mine's not perfect either. You know, I have a crack here, but just for the fact that now you have a functional lid versus what you had before is a lot better. It looks nicer. It's not a perfect truck by no means at all, but it is a daily driver, so you want to be comfortable, and the seats were free, the seats were available, and I figured they're super simple to do. This took me no more than an hour to do this. The other side wouldn't have took me any more longer, probably an extra 5 minutes onto my time. It's a little chilly out, that's why it took me a little bit longer, but if it was a warm sunny day, easily 30-minute job if it was a warm sunny day. Now that being said, like I said, I apologize for all the craziness. I apologize for the wind. If you're getting any wind right now, it is crazy windy out here. It always has been. But anyways, I apologize for the videos haven't been consistent. It's, you know, life got ahead of me, life took over, and it just happens. It is what it is. So, but that being said, make sure you guys stay tuned. We got an announcement coming up next week. I'm very excited. I'm glad to be back at it. I'm glad to keep going. I've got a lot of stuff planned. So make sure you guys go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're already subscribed. Thank you for all the support, and we'll see you guys next time.